Hey guys, this is a video on how to pop shove it. The pop shove it is more useful than the shove it, but sometimes the shove it's just a little bit faster. So I'll show you the foot placement. Give me a sec. Okay. The foot placement can be more up here or more down there, whatever you want. Whatever you feel most comfortable with, but some people might like it tilted, some people might not like it tilted, and further down here, up there, whatever, it doesn't matter. Whatever you feel most comfortable, and you might want only a few toes on the board, so you can really get a lot of pop and get your board off of the floor. So maybe since I shove it a lot, I have trouble popping it. So what I have to do, I have to trick myself into thinking I'm doing an ollie or a pop or a move that you have to pop it. And so yeah, sometimes that works. And yeah, so what you do, you can bend your legs if you want, but sometimes you don't have to, but I do. So you bend your knees, and you pop, and your foot's scooping it that way. And your front foot doesn't do that much, but it also does a little bit. It just pushes it forward that way, so it gets the full 180 spin. And so you can also 360 shove, pop shove, and that's just when it does a 360 spin. But yeah, so I'm just going to show you a few examples and maybe you can try them out.